How to add audio from external sources in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure your timeline is ready. This means you should already have your video clips or main content in place. Having a prepared timeline helps you sync the external audio more accurately. Next, head to the media pool from the top left corner. Now locate your external audio file on your computer. DaVinci Resolve supports a wide range of audio formats like MP3, WAV, and ACC, so most files should work without any issues. Once you find it, drag and drop it into the media pool. From the media pool, drag the audio file directly into the timeline. Make sure to place it on the new audio track so it doesn't overwrite any existing sound. You can add as many external audio files as you need. Just place each one on a separate track if you want to manage them individually. Now, align the audio with your video by zooming into the timeline and adjusting the position. You can also adjust the volume levels of the audio by selecting the clip and raising or lowering the gain in the inspector panel. Additionally, use fade in and fade out effects to make the transitions smoother, especially if you are blending external audio with built-in sound. Once everything sounds right, go to the Deliver tab, choose your export settings, and render the project. And that's it. Now you know how to add audio from external sources in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.